This is the all-new iPhone 13 Pro Max. It sold out in Georgia in less than a day and a half. If you order it today, the phone will arrive in 4 to 5 weeks. The iPhone 13 Pro Max has a 6.3 display. It starts at a price for the base model of $1,000. This is the gold variant. This year they added a 120 Hz refresh rate on this new iPhone. It can dial down to 10 Hz to save battery and to 120 Hz for smooth gaming. It is a 5G capable phone. And this year, in the packaging, you get a USB-C to Lightning cable, and a SIM card tool, the instructions, and one Apple sticker. This year, the new cameras have Pro Cinematic mode, and they increased the zoom from 2.5 to 3 optical zoom. It has 3 cameras. One 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 12 megapixel wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. It has Smart HDR4. It shoots RAW, ProRAW photos. And it also supports MagSafe. They also improved the battery life this year. And the brightness now can go to 1,000 nits and up to 1,200 nits. Also, this has a smaller notch, as you can see, compared to last year's and previous years since the iPhone X. Thanks for watching. Till next time.